I played better than yesterday. I think it's because I was able to stay patient throughout the round, which helped me give good positions to make more birdies.
So, yung game ko po today is medyo masama. Kasi lahat po ng bola ko napupunta sa mga malalapit sa puno. So, time po siya papunta sa butas. So, nahihirapan po ako pumark.
I had a lot of birdie chances today, and I think my putting really carried my game today. That's why I scored better.
So, yung best shot is yung mga irons po. Marami po akong tinatamaan na green na nagsisave po ng mga putt. Yung hole 18 po siguro kasi nagdikitan ko po siya ng halos malapit po sa isang pin. Isa po kasi yung 18 sa mga mahihirap na butas. Malaking ano po na na-park.
Pressure is always there in every tournament. It's just how you overcome it, especially since I have a big lead for tomorrow. It encourages me to play much better than today.
May pressure since final round na po bukas. Medyo nung nag-tie kami ni Eddie, pressure ako ng sobra. Siya kasi yung sumusunod sa akin na dapat lamangan ko kasi taga dito siya. So, kailangan ko dagdagan para bukas.
For tomorrow, I plan to rehydrate still and sleep early. Just apply the same mindset that worked for me today, and hopefully the breaks will come my way tomorrow.
Key to my game po is I stayed patient lang po kahit marami ng bad shots. Linaro ko lang po yung laro ko and wait for the result. Game plan ko po for tomorrow is same lang po sa ngayon. If nag-miss, kung pumasok, pasok, next hole.